Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana has dipped into this support area. We are on the daily chart right now. The pullback is quite sharp, but it is not too deep to be a wave 4 in this larger degree fifth wave, in this uptrend. But please note, at the moment there is no confirmed low in place, okay? We are just in Fibonacci support or potential support. If the price really finds support here, only the market will decide. All I can share is that in this scenario, the price should ideally hold the $163 level. Any break below it will be a first good indication that possibly something more bearish is unfolding. That means that this structure needs to be revised, as a fourth wave would normally not break below the 61.8 retracement. Different scenarios, what would be a reasonable alternative should the market break below 163? It is important to understand that this fourth wave will not be invalidated. Even if we break below 163, it will only be invalidated with a break below the September low. Here we talk about $120. That is the formal invalidation point. But below $163, other interpretations will come into play. So for example, an alternative interpretation could be that we say this might just be a wave 1. Okay, is it going to be high confidence? No, which is why I haven't sort of talked about it until now. It's just when we discuss possible alternatives, it's important to be aware of it. But that is not going to be high confidence because it's only a 3-wave move up in wave 1. We can consider that, however, because it's in a larger fifth wave. So the wave 1 can be a 3-wave move. But then we would need more evidence. We would need to see that wave 2 finishes and we see a bit of a bounce from there. And then it could do this and might even exceed my target. Well, that's one scenario. Another one would be that the wave 4 here is still unfolding. So alternative 4. These would be the two alternative scenarios. And then, I mean, okay, what would be the next level to watch if it's a 1-2 setup in large, in orange? Then I would watch the 78.6 retracement as next key support. Just another area, to observe, because there needs to be, we need some support to watch should the market break below 163. Let's tidy that up a bit but again, there is currently no evidence that a low is in, but this is now the area where we can watch for support. And even Bitcoin, the bulls are fighting, but they have not succeeded yet. Let's take a look at the smaller time frame. On the smaller time frame, I don't think we've had any change since yesterday. So this is now everything obviously a little bit more detailed. We talked about here the section between $163 and $179, and that we would ideally see a reaction somewhere from here. There is a bit of a bounce, there is a reaction, and the market is holding a higher low, but I mean, I don't really believe that this is the wave 2, so that we've already bottomed, that we're already turning around. The move up from the last low is choppy and weak, and actually at least one more low seems likely given the latest development of the price. But I will lean towards the white count that we've bottomed already. That would be the first bottoming, let's say, confirmation once we get a move above $202.20. But the bulls need to turn up here, right? And then above that level, the $229 level is important, which means in summary, the price is showing a reaction here to the area around the 50% retracement. In the white scenario, a low could be in. The reaction to that support area was not very convincing, and the move down looks very impulsive. And we've already retraced quite a lot from the Saturday high, but it's still holding the white scenario at the moment. But for further confirmation that we can actually trust it a little bit more, I want to see the next set of 5 waves up as shown in white. I want to see a break above $202.20, and followed by a break above $229. Until then, one more low cannot be ruled out. At least one more low cannot be ruled out, and in that case, $171 and $163 are the next levels. Any sustained break below 163 would require a reinterpretation of the chart, which means today we have to pay attention to possible reversal signals, and if the bulls really turn up and there's some buying volume that comes in this area. I think the New York session will be key. Yeah, that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.